Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that literally separates those who dream from those who achieve, and that's self-discipline. Now, I know, self-discipline doesn't sound flashy, but if you want real success, freedom, and confidence in your life, this is the superpower you've got to master. Let's break it down. Self-discipline is the ability to do what you should do, even when you don't feel like it. It's waking up early when your bed is cozy. It's hitting the gym when your mind says skip it. It's choosing focus over scrolling, purpose over pleasure. And it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Look, motivation is great, but motivation is like a spark. It comes and goes. Discipline is the engine. It keeps you going after motivation fades. Want to start a business? Want to get fit? Want to master a skill? Grow a following? Build your dream life? Then your best friend is not motivation, it's discipline. Here's the truth. Every time you say no to instant gratification and yes to long-term growth, you're building mental muscle. And just like the gym, the more you train discipline, the stronger it gets. That's how you go from I'll do it someday to I did it. So how do you build it? Tip 1. Start small. Don't try to change your whole life overnight. Pick one habit, wake up 30 minutes earlier, meditate for 5 minutes, write one paragraph a day. Start small, stay consistent. Tip 2, remove temptations. Discipline is easier when you're not constantly battling distractions. Clean your space, log off social, set boundaries. Tip 3, delay gratification, train your brain to wait. Want to binge Netflix? Do your task first, then enjoy guilt-free. Every successful person you admire, they didn't rely on talent alone. They built habits. They showed up. They mastered self-discipline. That's their edge, and it can be your edge too. The power of self-discipline is that it frees you. You stop being ruled by moods or distractions. You become the kind of person who follows through. And that changes everything. So, don't wait. Start small, stay consistent. Discipline your mind, and you'll transform your life. If this hit home for you, smash that like button, subscribe for more real talk, and let me know in the comments. What's one habit you're going to commit to this week? You got this.